Welcome, welcome. No, sir. No, see. Tina start up. What they call it something? Bitition. Petition or petition. Yeah, for 99. She, I think, and she talk about a bag of things, yeah. What about something she put in the petition, yeah. She talk up what put in what bag of things on it. But, me see one thing where Dr. Love say that the lady must sue them. Mm-hmm. Yeah, when she come America, she fi sue them. But me not say, even if the lady sue them, yeah, what she go get out of it? Because them not have nothing. Mm-hmm. That me go say the 5 blind mice them, you can't sue them because them not have nothing. Because somebody say that the lady, the one donor, Mary, they have the husband Maryland, she, for her house lean. Mm-hmm. So somebody tell me, say, when the house lean, it means, say, you take out second mortgage on the house. So, when you sell it, we probably not going to get not much out of it. So, from what we can see, if them have to go borrow money if you do XYZ, that means that them not have no money. And somebody say, I know Mrs. Son and somebody say, that the house no belong to she, it belong to the husband. So no, she not at work, I don't believe. I think they say no, and then she do some booba. She do the booba. So me not know how the lady would have get anything out of it if she was sue. My advice, she need to get a cease and desist letter to all of them. And that me I go say. Because me hear one little thing I talk on the streets. Me don't know if it's true or false. I mean, I want if a fake news. But the man that come out, the TT friend come out panel the other day. And him say that our business, in call her turnover. It was a turnover, TT, yeah. And then turnover Tina. I saw me hear it. I saw me repeat it. Turnover Tina, I say. So no. Me don't understand that statement. I me go everywhere. I me look. Cause at first me not think I want cake name. Cause me don't want cake. Nothing like cake for a while. And they used to call it apple turnover. So me thought she start up one new line called Turnover Tina. So me look about the place to see if me can find the cake. I me looking at for a cake shop. And me not see the cake neither, So, me go down at the shop, because me find the shop where the man, them in that down house in Billupon, I think I film shop that, me not 100% sure, but upon them, me see my talk. So, me go look, and me can't find nothing at all about this turnover Tina thing. So, me I wonder if I look at fake news. But when me go peep, me hear her talk something, and she talk something like, say, there's something went on, but me not 100% sure, so me no want to say. Me just say me see something say, turnover. So the person say that our cake nah go nowhere, like how she not go nowhere. Yeah, I saw a person say, I saw me hear it, and I saw me repeat it. So the person say, our cake business, and he say turnover. So me I wonder if our business turnover. Me I wonder if our shop turnover, cause me can't find the cake. Yeah, me can't find the cake them. So and that me no wonder anyway. So now, get back to it. So me not see how the lady can actually sue. When you can't sue nobody what can't pay you back nothing. You have to sue somebody where you know them have something and you go get something out of. Cause lawsuit you have to go pay money, and you go pay money, true or good money. After people not have nothing for they don't have nothing for you sue them for. You can sue and get money out of them. So that me I go say, me not see how that me can't see how that suing not go work. If suing not go work at all, I just think they need a cease and desist letter and them to stop talk up the bag of things them. And so me see it, yes. So and that me just think I say, and the lady don't need to be coming out every minute justifying herself to them. And when she says she not justify herself to them is for her donors. That's why she put in at the receipt and all them something there. But me know say the lady over the fence, she asks for other things and go on with herself. So I think no, you put out evidence, so you pay the guy pay up some of the school fees. So I think you should just leave it at that, not make them think what they want to think. But for Tina no, she says she's so intelligent, and that bit me don't understand, yeah. And everybody does, yes, because she's a bright scholar, she's a professor, yeah. And the part that I don't understand, she do a petition, yeah, she do a petition because she said one petition was done about bullying the young lad, allegedly bullying, bullying. You can't call it bullying because she was on it all the time. So we see it as the public opinion, see it as bullying. So no, she no put out her own petition for the lady, and she say for the woman not do no GoFundMe and charity. The woman said she start do charity, and I know she start up a GoFundMe, and anybody can do GoFundMe. That is totally nonsense. She attack, but what me see when me not look, yeah, me see put fun and joke aside, I think there is some crisis, as the man said, as the person said. I think his business is about to fall because she was on about having she sent back loads of refund to people. She refunded them, yeah. After Christmas, so it looked like say she never bake she never did sort out things. I mean, I don't know what I go on. I don't know what I go on. If anybody know what I go on, tell me what I go on, but I don't know what I go on. So I don't understand it. But I feel say she look, very, very stressed out about things, and she's have too much energy. We see too much energy for everybody, and she's the one that promoted everybody else, but and she no reach nowhere. That's a bit that I'm a bit concerned about. Or you promote everybody and you stagnant. So she says she going for the neck, yeah, because the ladies are exploiting the vulnerable people them. And she was going on recently about the lady talk about so she did rap the pooper. But I know she did say it. I'm sure somebody did get it off the website. Said the data, yeah, the data say so. Allegedly, me don't know allegedly coming on. I don't know what me say. Allegedly, yeah. Our website people get it. Instagram, IG, or Bookface, or wherever they get it from. Yeah. So I know the lady this is so I don't know why the lady getting the blame for that now, yeah. So she's saying, yeah, the lady invading people privacy and all them things there. But the people then know say a lady work with her camera, as she always tell them. Anyway, me don't talk, yes, and me gone.